How to make your TikTok account private. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm giving you a tutorial on how to make your TikTok account private. So let's get started. First, what you guys need to do is you will open up TikTok on your mobile phone, and this is where you will get. You can open it up on your Android or iOS, and we will be able to make our account private. So what you guys need to do is once you get to your account, you have to click on profile option at the bottom. It will open up your profile for you. Then you have to click on these three lines at the top, which is the menu option, and have to click on settings and privacy. In settings and privacy, you will find the privacy option, which is at number second. Select it, and then you will find the first option, which is private account. If this option is enabled, if it's blue, that means that the account is private, and if it's gray, that means that it is disabled. So you can actually just click on it to make it blue, and it will look like this. You can see my account is private. With the private account, only users you approve can follow and watch your videos. Your existing followers won't be affected. So you can just click on it to enable this option, and your TikTok account will be private. I hope that I was a big help to you guys. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to YouTube channel.